Lily, lost and scared, wandered into a forest unlike any other. Each tree glowed faintly, whispering forgotten tales, memories of people long gone. One day, the ground trembled as loggers arrived, their saws roaring, ready to erase these living stories. Lily knew she had to act. She climbed the oldest tree, its bark edged with countless faces, and sang a song her grandmother taught her, a song of the earth the forest stirred. Roots and vines erupted from the ground, twisting into mighty dragons of earth and light, shielding the sky from the invaders. The loggers, terrified, fled. Lily, now a guardian, understood. Every leaf was a page, every tree a library. Cutting them down was like erasing the earth's mind. The forest awakened, would remember, and so would she, forever protecting its precious memories.